Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can install the new Notepad in Windows 11. So as you can see, when I right click on it and on a text document and click on open with, it shows me the new Notepad with these icons, with the new icon and all the new features. So basically, if you like install Windows 11, it will give you the new Notepad by default, but for some reason if you don't have it, you have to go to your Microsoft Store and you have to search for Notepad in here. So once you have searched for it, you have to either download it if your Windows 11 doesn't have it, or you can simply click on update if it isn't updated to the latest version. So for some reason you might not find Notepad in here in Microsoft Store. For that you have to switch to insider channel, you have to join the insider program in Windows 11. So for that you have to go to settings and go to Windows Update. You will find join Windows Insider program. You have to join in there. So that's how you can basically download the new Notepad in Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.